Hello, gamers! Let's have a lovely night of Nerdle. We have a special vertical screen this time. I'm starting to mess more with my software. Maybe I can have a horizontal and vertical one soon. It's been a while since I've done Nerdle, so let's get back into it. I definitely have gotten better since my streams last week, so let's see how long it takes me to get through all the Nerdle this time. Actually, let me... Let me just put a pinned message. There we go. Anyways, let's do this Nerdle. Let's do double-digit addition. Or we can use 3 operators. I feel like it's usually double-digit something. But I think 3 operators will let us figure out which operators it isn't. Nine plus 8, that's 17, minus 4 is 13. Okay. It wasn't addition or subtraction. I'm thinking it could be triple-digit division. So this is a 3-digit number divided by a 2-digit number. It gives us a 1-digit number. We have 1, 4, and 8. 1, 4, and 8. So maybe 1 here, 4 here, 8 here. Or it could be like 1, 6, 8, and this could be 42, and this would be 4. Wow! That's a pretty good guess. I also guessed correctly that it's triple-digit division, I think. It's possible there's a multiplication symbol here, but it wouldn't make too much sense because then this would have to be a double-digit division. A single digit divided by a double digit, and that's not good. So it is 4, so it's a number in the 100s divided by a number less than 100 but 2 digits. And it's 4. The 8 isn't gonna go, it could go here, and then this could be 180 divided by 45. We know there's not 2 4s though. So the 8 can't go here, because that's the only number that works there. I guess it could be 8. 8? No, because we're not dividing by something in the 40s. It's probably closer to... Could be like 120 divided by, no 30 though. Could be, I know there's only 1 4. That's 125? No, that doesn't give us 4. Could be 130? No, we know there's no 3. 120 would be 30. Let's just give it a shot anyways. Okay. I didn't end up using the 8. We know the 2 doesn't go there. Maybe this is 28. 28 times 4 is... I want to say 112. I think this is the right answer. We end up using the 2. We do use the 8. And there we have it, folks. There we have it, the right answer. Nice. Let me just make sure the stream actually... Okay. Anyways, on to the next Nerdle. Let's do the micro so we can relax on the micro for a little bit. Okay, micro Nerdle. Let's do multiplication, and let's do, well, for it to be multiplication, for it to be multiplication, it has to be like 3 times 2. So clearly not multiplication. One plus 4 is equal to 5. Good long shot guess. 1 plus 4. It is addition, it is addition. Then 1 has to be on this side. And it's just a matter of guessing. Probably 8, and then this is 9. So it's 8, so this is 7 then. It's not my best one of these. I can usually do these quite a bit faster, but oh well. Where is Mini? There it is. All right. Let's assume it's double digit, and I do like to guess multiplication here. So let's do 7 times 3 is 42. It's single digits, so it's probably, it could be division or it could be subtraction. Let's say it's 6 and 54, 8 times 5 is 40, 9 times 6 is 54, 3 times 6 is 18, it could be 18 divided by 3. It is division. The answer is not 6. So we have a 7, 6, and 8. And then one random number we don't have yet. Okay, so we know it's not 6 at the end. We haven't used 9, 5, or 0 yet. Probably not going to use 0 here. Let's try for... maybe 8 here? What's 76? No. I'm trying to see what we could do with 7, 8, and 6, because just these should be enough to figure out what we're doing. Because at least one of these has to form the 2-digit. 86 doesn't give us anything. 68 doesn't give us anything. 78 doesn't bring anything to mind either. Neither does 76. So probably we don't have the 3-digit number yet, or the 2-digit number yet. Let's see. Nothing's coming to mind that we could form here. trying to think anything with a 5? What? I just can't think of what 2 digits we can form here that would give us a nice number at the end. Might as well guess. Might as well guess. Might as well guess. 68 divided by... I don't think that's actually divisible by any single number that'll give us a single digit. 50 divided by... I'll just do 40 divided by 8 is equal to 5. So it is divisible by 8, and we do have a 5. 7 has to go here. So 8 times 7 is 56. I can't believe I missed that. Spent far too long on this. I guess we're gonna do the quad Nerdle next. How does it show up on the screen? Oh yeah, it's huge. Let's see if I can move this around. First make it smaller. Move this down here. There we go. Alright, let's start with the top. Put the equal sign here. Let's just do basic addition. Let's do 23 plus 46 is 69. Okay, so the equal sign is in the correct spot for 3 of them. That's pretty nice. We do end in a 9 here. Honestly, I should forget about this and go to this third one here. We have quite a few of it. It is double-digit addition. First number starts with a 2, and the second number ends with a 6. And there's a 4 involved. So the 4 could be here. And then this would be... it can't be 7. It could be 5. And then this would be... 80? Nope. We do have an 8. I assume the 4 is probably... Okay, the 4 is probably here, and this is the 8. Because 8 plus 6 is 4. Or at least that gives us a 14, which is that number there. Then it's finding what this could be. We could just say it could be 2 again. And this would be 6. I think it's a pretty good guess. This is a bad guess. That would give us a 5. Can't be that. We could have another 4. And then this would be 7. It's 44. Then it would have to be 1. The answer to this is 28 plus 16. Let me just take out that subscriber count for a second, because it's in the way. Is equal to 44. All right, we got that one. Which one do we have the most information for next to this? Probably the most bottom one. Okay. So we end in 64. There's no addition. It could be subtraction of like 80 minus 16. Well, we already have a 16 there, so I guess not. Could be like... There's no 9. Maybe not 80. Okay, then this is probably not subtraction, because the 1 is in the wrong spot. I guess it could be 80. Plus maybe 70, I don't know. 78 plus minus this would be like 14? What was I cooking? This would give us a better, this would give us like 24. Right? No. It's still, no, yes, yes. I guess it's fine. Ends at 64, starts with an 8. It's not a 2-digit operation, unfortunately. This is so disappointing. Let me make this smaller. It's getting a little too big for the screen. There is another 8 involved. I'm going to say this is 8 times 8. No, because if we want it to end in 64, this is already 64 all on its own. We could say divided by 1. That was actually the answer? Are you for real? Wasting so much brain space. Okay, we should do the top one next because we have the most information there. So we have a 2 we haven't used, a 4, a 6, a 7, 2, 4, 6, 7. And we can't use 3, 5, 8, and 0. Guess we could try putting a 2 here. Then this would have to be a 3, so this can't be 2. This is probably the number we don't have. What number have we not selected for this yet? It can't be 4, 6, or 7. Can't be 5. Probably not 2. Could be not 9. There's no way that's 9. My next guess is that there's more than one 1, and this is 19. Then this would have to be like, no, this can't be 19. I am miscalculating something here. 4, 6, 7, 8, and 6. Okay. Hold on. 4? There's only 1 6. It could be 1. It could be 1. And then this is... Oh, this can't be in the 20s. No, it can't be 1. I feel like a madman talking to myself. I've spent 10 years in solitary confinement just doing math. Somebody get me out of here. I'm going to say... Can't be 6, 4, or 7. Can't be 8, 9, or 0. Then what can it be? What can it be? Yeah, the only other option is 2. So 29 plus a teen could give us a 30. Or this starts with 4. Right? No. Yes, yes, yes. And then there's a 6 and a 7 involved still. I see it, I see it. This is 6 and then this is 7. Yeah! Let's go. Okay, we're on our last one and we have no information besides... Oops. Can zoom in again. Besides, it's a single digit answer. What numbers are not used? We're not using 1, 2, 4, 8, 9, or 0. 1, 2, 4, 8, 9, or 0. So we're only working with 3, 5, 6, and 7. It's probably a multiplication symbol here. 3, 5, 8, and 7. Wait, no. 3, 5, 6, 7. We have a couple guesses of where 3 and 6 can't be. It's pretty clear 3 and 6 can't be here. So it has to be 5 or 7. Do we know if any of them can't be doubles? Not really. Is there any other areas that we have narrowed it down further? Not really. Let's go with 335 minus maybe 37 minus 5 times 7 is 2? No. I can probably figure this out just on the numbers alone. Let's go 63 minus 7 times 6 is 42. That's not single digits. 53? No. I think it starts with 3, so we can do 33 minus 6 times 5. That'll just give us a 7. 37 minus... No, still not right. But we can, let's do the 33 route. 6 times 5 gives us a nice 3. Okay. We're pretty clear here what we need. It's a 30 something minus 30 is equal to something. It's probably 37 minus 30 is equal to 7. And that's quad Nerdle, y'all. That's quad Nerdle. What have I not done today? I don't want to do the buy yet, because it's really just half of the quad Nerdle. It'd be more reasonable to do something like the maxi, because I really enjoy suffering at this time of night after a hard day of work and then having to form these insane equations without knowing where to start. I think that's a really fun thing to do. Let's do 2 cubed plus 1 squared. No, that doesn't work. 2 cubed plus 1 squared. Just because you can knock out the cubed and squared in parentheses here. It gives you a lot of information, surprisingly. So 2 cubed is 2 times... This is only 9. Probably like 3 cubed then. This is 28. Okay, as usual, we don't use square or cubed. It's been a couple days. I'm a little disappointed with the Nerdle community. Like, what are they doing here? It's been a couple days since they've put in the squared and cubed. Now, granted, I don't do maxi Nerdle every day because it is great for destroying your brain, and I like being able to go to sleep without having nightmares about math. But the last few times I've done this, I did not get any parentheses, squares, or cubes. It's a little weird. I've been a little sad that I haven't been seeing them. Now that they're out of the way, we know we have a 1 and a 2. There's no addition. I'm leaning towards 2-digit subtraction, then double division? Double-digit division, a digit in the 10, how do you say this? I don't know. I don't have the capacity right now. So let's set this as 12 divided by 4 for no reason. Well, we want it to be a little bit bigger than that. Let's set it as 92 divided by 4. That is 23, I think. But this ends in 3. Then this would have to be 0, and then this would have to be 5, 4. Okay, we got the subtraction part right. What is going on over here, though? It could be multiplication, but then the question is, like, what spot does it go in? You know? Because it could go in this spot, or it could go in this spot, so it's just which of the 2 spots? Many people have been asking this, many people. Still don't know where the 1 has to go. Maybe it's times 10. But this, then my thinking is we're multiplying a number times 10, and then subtracting it from this number to get 2, which means this number would have to be 20 plus whatever this is, and this needs to end in 3. Maybe there's an additional 3 here. 10 times, maybe this is 50. Holy! Talk about a lucky guess. Still, okay, we figured out where the 1 goes. We figured out the answer is 23. I guess now it's just guessing what the right one is. If this is times 60, this would have to be 80. Okay, so we're not going to be going that low. It's probably times 30, and this is 63. And I did it wrong. This would have to be 5 instead. This is literally the guess I did above. And we already know this is not 3. Disappointing, disappointing. This is probably 1, and then this is probably 3. They always put this trick up where they're using 1 in these operations with division and multiplication. And because it just returns the same number it's being multiplied or divided against, I get so confused. I still got it in 4. It's pretty good. That's pretty good. I'll do the mini buy. It'll be easier on my brain. Because it takes up less space. Let me see if I can throw this back on the screen. We all gotta do some self-promotion, okay? It's hard in this world. We're all trying our best. And this is me trying my best. Okay. I like starting with 2 times 3. Oh, there's space for more? Maybe like 19 or 9 times blah 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 blah. So it's a teen number on the bottom and it uses 2. This could be 7 plus 5. Wow! Holy! I am slowly acquiring the Nerdle mastery. Very soon I will do a Nerdle speedrun too. Ever since I was very young, I've been training for this every single day. So there is a 2. It's probably here. So the only options are 5 times 4 or 5 times 5. If it's 5 times 5, this would be 25. I think that's the answer. Smooth with it. It's very smooth with it. Hope you all have been having wonderful nights as we continue on with the next Nerdle game. Which this time will be instant. And this one will take a while, unfortunately. Or hopefully not. I guess it is a little bit of a race. Race against time. We know the position of the 3. We know there's a subtraction and then there's a multiplication. So let's say it had to be something like this. So we probably have a single digit answer just because of how things are positioned here. We have the 3 there. We know where the equal sign goes. We know where the minus and the multiplication would have to go. I see 52 can be divided by 9. Oh, we don't have division here. I'm going to assume we have double-digit subtraction. So this is multiplication, and then this is subtraction. Double-digit subtraction is when the first number is a double digit in the operation. 28 minus 27 is 1. 25. Well, it's 3 times something, so if it's 3 times 5, it's 15. That doesn't really give us much, though. If it's 3 times 9, it's 27. I don't think we can form a big number with that, though. 25 minus... No, it's probably not going to start with 2. Wait, maybe a 5. Maybe it starts with a 5. 52 minus... No, because if we're multiplying 3 by something... It probably is 28? No. 3 times 8 is 24. Oh, okay, it's 29. 3 times 8, this is 24. 29 minus 24 is 5. Easy. Smoked them. And we move on to the next one. I'm not gonna get tricks. I've already done the quad Nerdle today. I'm not gonna bust my brain twice for no reason. What haven't I done? I haven't done the full bi Nerdle, but I want to do... I have done this quad Nerdle. How dare it lie to me. I'm going to do speed Nerdle. There's an 8 here. Oh, I guess. Probably just... Huh? Oh, this is gonna be something crazy. Like this. Maybe like 188? No. This is like 2, 6, 12, 18, 24. This is 248 divided by 4 is 62. Oh! One shot, 53 seconds? Dang. That's the best I've ever done on that. You really do learn. Let's do the buy. I think I have a better spot for this. Somewhere up here, maybe. Still kind of gets in the way. Oops. Oops, oops, oops. Think that's better? I think that's big enough on small screens. Alright. Let's put the equal sign here. Let's do double digit. Let's do subtraction this time. Let's do 54 minus 23 is... Let's put this 27. This is going to be ending in 3. And this is going to be a 2. No, this will be... 6. No. This will be a 7. Okay. Could be addition. We do have the 4 down here. It's the best shot. We have a 5 somewhere. 3. Make this 86 and make this... Can't be 86. Make this 88. And make this a 54. Okay. I'm not liking where this is going. It's probably this. No. It can't be. Man, it's a division. They've really cranked up the 3-digit number divided by single digit today. Dang. This is probably like 140 divided by, maybe let's say 540 divided by, this is probably divided by 9, and then this gives you 9 times 6 is 54, so maybe 60. It's not everything, but it's something. Okay, so it is the 40. Well, of course it doesn't start with 5. It's the first thing it told me. Let's try 440 divided by 8. This is 58. This is 55. Nice, 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 nice. This is 0, 4. There's only one 4. We don't know the location of the 8. So this can't be 8 or 9. This can't be 5, and this is 8. This is probably just where the 8 goes. Maybe it's 540 divided by... No, maybe... Maybe the 5 is here. 98 times 5. 490. Nice! Nice. Doing swell, doing swell. We've cleared all the normal nerdles. Let's do some targets and get these out of the way. 41 is... Ooh. How do we get to this 41? We can get to 40 easily, but then we can't get the additional 1 easily. We can get to 55, but then we'd have to subtract 14. We can get to 60 easily, and then we'd have to subtract 19. Can we get 19? No. Wait, yes we can. 60 minus 11 minus 8. Easy. $11 and 78. That's just 8 plus that, and 78 will be, if we can get 28. 28 is 7 times 4. I'm not seeing a 7 pop up here. Yes, I am. This is 50 plus 1 times 1 plus 6 times 4. Nice. Ah, now my sub counter is at the wrong spot again. I'm just gonna put it off for a second. It's hard to find a good spot for it. 25 is 5 times 5. Can we get 5 easily here? Not really. We can... 8 plus 12. Just use addition, lol. 89 is a prime number. Can we get 9? Yes. It's 80 plus 8 plus 12 minus 11. 169 is 13 squared. We have 113 here. I don't think we can get the other 13. Probably have to do subtraction then. Hmm. 80, then we'd have to get 89. We have already gotten 89. Okay, then we just do 8 plus 8 times 11. Then we do 6 minus 5. Oh, plus 6 minus 5. 16 is 4 times 4, or it's 12 plus 3 plus 1. 65 is... not clear to me how to get to. 6 times 12 is 72. 5 times 12 is 60. 11 times 6 is 66. Maybe 100 minus 35? Yeah. 100 minus 12 times 3 minus 1? Plus 1? 171 is probably 100 plus 71. 121 is 12 times 11. I wonder if we can get closer. Another 11 gets us... $144. 143 actually. I guess I can just do something like this. 144. Does this overshoot it? 180. We would have to be fairly exact. It looks like it went over 2, so maybe it's 11 times... times 12 plus 3. Still shoots over it. So how do we get to the 71? Duh. It's plus 12 times 3 plus 2 and then add 11. Took me a second. I got there. This is probably 100 times 2. And then add 38. 100 times 2 is 200. I can get 33, but we still have the missing 5. Can we get to 138? 11 times 12 is 132. Yes. We could do 100 plus 11 times 12 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. And we're done with targets for today. That was a cool answer, I think. I'm usually not a big fan of targets, I will say. Alright. Let's do cross Nerdle, and then I will end with 2D Nerdle. We can zoom in a bunch here. Probably there. There we go. This could be division or this could be subtraction up here, so we got no clue. Is there anywhere that gives us an easy answer? Equal sign is probably here. Equal sign is here, so this is 3, so this is an equal sign. Equal sign is probably here. Anywhere else? Equal sign is probably here. Equal sign is here. Equal sign must be here. Unless it's a 3-digit number. I doubt it though. Five minus... I would say this is 1, but it could also be 3. We get 0.5, and this is another operation here. Equal sign probably here. Okay, so this is the first one we can solve. 3 plus blank divided by 2 times 1. So 3 plus blank divided by 2 is 4. 3 plus 5. 5 times 3 is a big number. This... Okay, the order of operations is incorrect here. This has to be 2, then this is 6. There's probably another operation here. Probably an operation here. There's an operation here. This has to be 4 here. This has to be 5. I still can't really guess what's going on here. This has to be an equal sign. Blank plus a number minus another number is 1. And these numbers are identical here. Can't really kind of guess what this is though. There's not enough information. Because it could be 9 and 8. This could be 9. It would be this. Then this would just be 978 minus 3. But again, not enough information to really narrow it down. What a shame. So this has to be a number, and this is definitely an operator. This cancels out, so it's really just whatever happens here. So this has to be subtraction. Because the divided by 3 times 3 cancels out, so it's just this operation here. Well, this does cancel out. And then we do the 9 minus. Yeah. So we're chilling. But again, we don't know what the number is. And you can get decimals, I think. Otherwise, we know the answer would have to be 6 because of this 6. So then this would have to be 3. But I think... No, not enough information. Oh, hello there. Then this has to be 1. And then this has to be 8, and this is 9. I don't know what this operation is going to be. 9 minus 2 minus 1. Who knows? Am I missing another obvious one? No. Well, since this is 78 and this is 75, I'm going to have a hunch that this is minus 3. And if that's the case, then we have 3 blank 9 minus 2 minus 1. This is minus 3. I'm going to say it's addition. If it was multiplication, it'd be too high. If it was subtraction, we'd be in the negative, and if it was division, we'd end with a decimal. So 3 plus 9 is 12, minus 3 is 9. So we effectively have 8 divided by 6, blank 9 minus 4, add 4 to the other side. So it's x plus 4 is equal to 8 divided by 6 blank 9. We don't really know until we get to this. 8 divided by 6 is like 3 over 4? Right? 3? No, it's 4 over 3. So multiplying it by 9 gives us 12. And this would be 8. So this is my guess to balance out the division. I'm going to assume this is still 9. So this is 9 minus 8. Then this is 8. 5 minus 2 is 3. I think this is the answer. And would you like... Look at that. Look at that. A very nice, perfect cross Nerdle in one try. Let's finally end with 2D Nerdle. I'm gonna try doing this as fast as I can. 9 and 4 are in the correct column or row. 3 times 4 minus blank is equal to blank. This is 12. It could be minus 11 is equal to 1. Good guess, good guess. And we put the 4 in the correct spot up here. Any clear ups? Okay, blank plus 9 minus 4 is 10. So we can add 4 to both sides. We have 14 is equal to this. Put the 8 on the correct side. 8 minus 10 divided by 2 gives us this answer. 12 minus 9 is 3 plus 4 is 7. This is the correct answer there. Less than 1 minute. All right, on to the next one, on to the next one. Any clear answers here? Okay, 3 blank 10 blank 7 is something. 13 minus 7 is 6. Kind of makes sense with this. So probably swap these two. Okay. Next clear one is this top here. 3 blank 4 blank blank is equal to 3. Actually, not too many options. It could be 3. No. 3 times 4 divided by 4. 3 times 4 is 12 minus 8. But we know the 8 is in the correct row, so that's not true. 3 minus 4 is negative 1 plus 4. No. So it could be 3 divided by 4. Ooh. 3 times 4 is 12 minus 9. Bad guesses, bad guesses. 4 is in the right column. Not too many options though. 3 plus 2 numbers being divided is another number. My guess is 8 divided by maybe 12 divided by 3. Good guesses, good guesses. 3 plus 12 divided by 3 is 7. Let's knock that out of there. There's only one spot for this 4 to go in, only one spot for the 8 to go in. Now it's just the operators. This minus sign, this could only go here. This could only go here. Okay. So this division is in one of the correct spots. Okay, this needs to go here. Come on. Then this needs to go here, and then these two just need to swap. And on to the last one. Okay, this is the easiest column to do right now. 12 minus blank, blank 3 is 5. Hmm. 12 minus 10 plus. Let's go. Okay, this is the next best one to do this row. It could be minus. I'm gonna guess it's minus. And it ends in 5. But this, we already know this 5 is in like the right spot, so let's not mess with things that are in the correct location, or at least in the right row or column. So 4 is in one of these 4 spots. And 6 is in neither of these two. Gotta find what gives you the most info. 9 is in one of these 4. Wait, no, 9 is in the correct row or column. It's in the right row, because this one shows it's not a duplicate. We have 2 5s. So 5 is correct in this row or column and in this one. 5 plus blank minus blank is something else. If this 9 isn't in the right, I guess this would be 9. This would be 11. It's a bad guess. Maybe it's 5 plus 5. That was a good guess. Minus 8 or 9. Okay. 9 is one of these two. Damn. That was also the wrong spot? I'm misreading this. Oh my gosh. Bad guess across bad guess. That's still the wrong spot? That was bad. And I have 4 moves left, so I gotta be really strategic. The addition could be either of these two. This addition could be either of these. 12 blank 8 minus 6. 12 times 12 divided by what? 12 times 8 is 72. Divided by 6 is not 9. 12 divided by 8 is also not great. 12 divided by 8 is 4. No, it's 3. Divide both by 4 and you get 3 over 2 times 6 is 18 over 12. No, it's just 18 over 2. So it is division here. Multiplication there. I have 2 moves left. 8 blank 12. Okay, this is minus here. Okay, phew. I just barely saved that.